Hi, it's Kirby again with Cerenimbus Software Development, talking about custom software, U.S. quality service at offshore prices. So, the question we get asked all the time is, what kind of a product can I make with custom software? And really, the sky's the limit. So, we're going to talk about some ideas and give you some suggestions of work we've done in the past. But software technology projects generally revolve around these kinds of things. Software as a service, which is a product that is doing something for a business. Mobile applications with a product or a service, as a product or service, and then a software as a component of a larger offering of a service. So let me just kind of break down some of those. Software as a service is something that fills a business need. Now, I just looked around here. We're in Orem, Utah, and we service all of the Wasatch front and back for that matter. But I looked at some $100 million companies in our area, and here are some of the things that their software does. Marketing, administration, HR, quoting or costing, going out to a location and making up a quote for a service. Inventory control and management. Scheduling to do services or go to somebody's house. We're doing a project right now. We're scheduling for a tree company that goes around and does tree services. Visualizing data, taking data from an inventory system or accounting information, putting it into graphs so that it can be visualized and understood better. Communication and patient management, how to handle patient records. We're looking at a project right now for a company that helps people to get their own patient records together and of their own records and not have it owned by the doctors. So anything you can think of. I mean, and every one of these companies started their software when there was already software available in the market to do that. In other words, these companies all became $100 million companies because they had a better idea than the current software available. Now, mobile applications are really fun because you just think of what do you need to have that's outside of your office. Like a mobile application can be on premise, it can be at your customer's location, and it can be while you're traveling, it can be while you're at the store or wherever else you're going. So anytime you need an application that services people's needs on the go, this is a great tool for a mobile application. Now, for example, we can take advantage of the special capabilities of phones. They have a camera. They can record sound. You can take pictures. I'm doing a project right now with a doctor who wants to be able to have people in the operating room look at pictures on the phone as part of the procedure so they can use it for a checklist. There's a GPS. You can keep track of. You can know where you are. You can track your path. You can know where you've been and you can see where you're going. There's an accelerator on the phone, which is motion sensitive. You can count steps. You can detect if someone's in a crash or falls off a bike, or if a senior citizen falls down the stairs or falls down. There's all these things that you can do with the motion detection of the accelerator on the phone. And then communications. Being able to communicate special events or activities, or notify people, or give them coupons, or sending them information. These are all very exciting things that can be done with mobile applications. Now, if we look at software as a component, this is where you enhance the brick and mortar experience. For example, if I'm in a restaurant and I want to be able to pay the bill without having to call the server over, I could do that with a mobile application. If I am in Home Depot and I want to find something, but the store's too big, and I can put in the item that I want to find, it'll tell me the actual row and where on the shelf it is, exactly where it is. That enhances the brick and mortar experience. So there's lots of ways that you can use software to enhance a restaurant or a retail location or haircutting or a whole variety of situations where you're interacting with a customer at your. And then, of course, anything that works with an office system. So not everything should be done on a mobile application. If you have data entry work or you need to see large graphs and stuff, that should be done in the office on a big screen, on a keypad, a typewriter. So there's all kinds of things that can be done where you have a piece of software that works together with other office systems to be able to do something that's really awesome. So if you're interested in knowing or developing your ideas, maybe you have an idea for a product, maybe you can see a business need, maybe there's something that you can see where people are having a pain point and they need to have some solution, and you have an idea for how to do that. Let's get together. I'm here in Orem, and I'll be happy to meet with you, and I can take you to lunch, and we'd like to talk about how we can create a custom software solution for your business product.